Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. In our session, we will explore the transformative impact of artificial intelligence, AI, across the healthcare industry. AI is not just a buzzword, but a revolutionary force that is reshaping how we approach healthcare, from diagnosis to treatment and patient care. Let's delve into the various ways AI is making a difference in this critical field. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and patient outcomes. From diagnostic tools to virtual health assistants, AI applications are broad and impactful. Our discussion today will focus on several key areas where AI is making significant contributions. Diagnostic tools, personalized medicine, predictive analytics, medical imaging, drug discovery, virtual health assistants. Let's begin with diagnostic tools. AI-powered diagnostic tools are transforming how we detect and diagnose diseases. Traditional diagnostic methods often involve time-consuming processes and can be prone to human error. AI, however, can analyze medical data with remarkable speed and precision. For example, AI algorithms can evaluate X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to identify abnormalities such as tumors or fractures that might be missed by the human eye. Early and accurate diagnosis is crucial, especially for conditions like cancer, where early intervention can significantly improve treatment outcomes. Next, we have personalized medicine. AI is paving the way for treatments tailored to the individual characteristics of each patient. By analyzing genetic information, lifestyle factors, and health history, AI helps create customized treatment plans that are more effective and have fewer side effects. This approach is particularly beneficial for chronic conditions such as diabetes or heart disease. With AI, we can predict which treatments will work best for each patient, leading to better management of these conditions and improved quality of life. Predictive analytics is another area where AI is making a significant impact. AI uses historical data to forecast future health events and outcomes. This capability allows healthcare providers to anticipate and address potential issues before they become critical. For instance, predictive analytics can identify patients at high risk of complications after surgery or those likely to experience a disease flare-up. By intervening early, healthcare providers can prevent severe health crises and improve overall patient management. AI is also enhancing medical imaging. AI algorithms can process and interpret complex medical images with high accuracy. This technology assists radiologists in detecting subtle changes in images, which could indicate the early stages of diseases like Alzheimer's or cardiovascular conditions. In addition to improving diagnostic accuracy, AI in medical imaging speeds up the workflow in radiology departments. This efficiency allows radiologists to focus on more complex cases and ensures timely and accurate diagnoses. The drug discovery process has traditionally been lengthy and costly. AI is accelerating this process by analyzing vast data sets to identify potential drug candidates. AI models predict how different compounds will interact with target proteins, speeding up the identification of promising drugs. This not only shortens the development timeline, but also reduces costs and increases the likelihood of finding effective therapies. AI is thus playing a crucial role in bringing new treatments to market more efficiently. Finally, let's discuss virtual health assistants. AI-powered virtual assistants are transforming patient care by providing instant access to medical information and support. These digital assistants can answer health-related questions, manage chronic conditions, and remind patients to adhere to their treatment plans. Virtual health assistants improve patient engagement and ensure that individuals have reliable health information at their fingertips. This accessibility enhances patient self-management and supports better overall health outcomes. In conclusion, AI is making profound changes across the healthcare industry. From enhancing diagnostic accuracy to personalizing treatments and improving patient care, the impact of AI is far-reaching. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative solutions that will further revolutionize how we approach healthcare. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or would like to discuss any of these topics further, please feel free to ask.